Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. And yes, I know I haven't uploaded the day 6 of a 100 days coding challenge, but trust me guys, I was really busy this weekend, so I apologize to each and everyone who were waiting for the video. And so in order to compensate for that and keep you engaged, I've got a challenge for you all. So this challenge is basically going to be your project. Probably like whatever you've learned till now, you will be applying it in this project कह लो या फिर whatever you're going to doing the challenge, so you can say that also. So जो भी तुमने अब तक पढ़ा है like HTML में CSS हमने कवर किया एक दिन के लिए, so जितना भी तुमने नॉलेज अभी तक पढ़ा या यूज़ किया तो उन सबको तुम इम्प्लीमेंट करके इस बॉट को बनाओगे. एंड of course there are few rules and regulations. You're not supposed to use AI for making this bot. You have to like ensure कि it is simple, representative and इतना cluttery नहीं होना चाहिए. Your website shouldn't be so busy with things that just deviates your attention. So it should be clear and aesthetic. So yeah, not many restrictions, but of course link of the challenge is given in the description box below. Do go and register for the challenge. Of course it's free. And now let me just give you the glimpses of what all you have to do in the challenge. The first thing you are going to do is you're going to implement whatever you've learned as of now in the coding in this project या कह लो या फिर it's a challenge, whatever. So till now we have covered HTML and CSS. So using that knowledge, you're going to make a complement bot, and the complement bot is not supposed to be very much busy. It should be simple and responsive and attractive. And when I say attractive, you know what I mean. And I would suggest you guys to use only HTML and CSS, because since I haven't covered the other like languages, I would probably be thinking that you copied it from somewhere else, AI. So don't use those sources, just use the things, use the knowledge you have acquired till now. And if you're someone new over here right now, you can just go and simply watch out the videos I have uploaded till now, and you can use that knowledge and make a beautiful bot and submit it to me. And don't worry, your work, your hard work is not going to be go in vain. You will be rewarded for it. Of course, I'm not going to disclose the rewards right now. So in order to know the rewards, do subscribe to the channel and stay tuned. Now, अकेले मत शुरू कर देना. That's it for this video, I know, but do share it with your friends. And of course there might be like big rewards, small rewards, whatever it is, but it's of course with your own hard work, own efforts. So do register. I've given the link in the description box below. It will be 7 days challenge, probably open for a week, so you can just think of what are you going to make. You can implement that, and at the end you have to submit the code of the like complement bot, whatever you've made, to me on the 7th day, and I'll be analyzing each and every one of it, and based on how your design is, how attractive it is, I will be deciding the winner. Of course, winner. So that person will be rewarded with whatever thing I've decided, I've kept in mind. So that's going to be a secret. Do subscribe for that. And yeah, that's it for this video. Bye bye.